All right, guys, we are here. It is time. It is time to bottle the wine. Finally, that's what you've been waiting on. So anyway, what we got, I got my wine. I put it on top of my table. I'll put it up somewhere high, and wherever it's sitting at, take it the day before, and I went ahead and put my Camden tablets in it before I bottled. I got 6 tablets in each one. They're 6 gallons each, so 1 per gallon. And I set it up high the night before, make sure I don't stir anything up from the bottom, and then I just start getting all my stuff ready. So let me show you what we got. I got my siphon out, got my bottling stick, and I got all my bottles over there. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start sterilizing everything, and I'm not gonna show you the pain process of doing it, but I put my 1-step sterilizing solution in my hot water, and I just take the bottle and right there, and I got my other sink over there ready, and I'll just line them up until I get this one full, and I'll take them, set them upside down in my other sink and just let them drain right before I go to bottle this. So I'm gonna do all that, have these ready and sterilized, and we'll come back as soon as I got my siphon stick in my jar, and I'll show you how to bottle it. All right, guys, so we got all our bottles done. Let me show you what I got. I laid them all out on the floor. I got me a towel down just in case something spills, and I got my auto siphon inside the jug, and you can see it's sitting right in the center, and I don't want to get it down. I mean, there's not much on the bottom, but I don't want to get it down into the bottom too much. So anyway, I'll show you what we do to start bottling, and I'll just do a few of them, and then once I finish it, I'll come back. Let's set this up so you can see. Okay, so to do one, all I do is I got my auto siphon ready. Get my hose out, and this has got a little plunger on the end that goes down in the bottom. So I'll just go ahead and fill this up. Gotta get the air out. And you just touch the bottom of the bottle, and it'll start filling up. And I'm gonna start on this end. I got plenty of bottles, so all right, that one's done, and I'll just pick this one up and show you another one. And another thing is the siphon has to be higher than the bottle. If it's not, well, you can see the higher I pick it up, the more it's not going to go in. So, and that's it. That's all it is to it. So anyway, I'm going to do all these bottles, and I'll come back when it's time to cork. I'll show you how to cork them, and that's it. That's bottling is pretty simple. Just make sure everything's clean before you start. Okay. Okay, guys, I got these bottled up and got them all lined up the way I want them. And just show you how the bottler works. There's my cork. And let's get up here so you can see it. In the cork, there's a hole right here, right? So just take the cork, I load it, and then I'll set it on the bottle and I'll push it down. So I'll show you how I do one. You just sit it right on top of the bottle and grab it and push it straight down. And that's it. Just like that. And you got your bottle of wine. Put your label on it, put it in a box. So that's what I'm gonna do. And normally I pull them out a little bit, pull me a couple out, get me a handful of corks, and I'll just load it. And I'll just keep going down the line. and I'll move it off to the side once I do these. Okay, that's all it is to it. So, quart bottle of wine ready to go. Hope you liked my video, and please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, it really helps me out. And leave me a comment if you got wine too, sweet wine or dry wine, how you make it. And let me know what you do on yours. If you got a photo you want to send, let me know. So anyway, thanks again, and I'll see you on the next videos.